The Bill of Materials tool allows you to generate a complete bill of materials report. It can be used to generate a report for the current drawing or for a batch of several drawings into one report. The report can then be printed or saved as any Windows-supported format. If you wish to generate one report for several drawings, first specify the drawing folder where these drawings are located. Then check the drawings you want to generate the report for from the list as shown above. This tool also allows you to assign unit price per component category and then calculate the total cost of the project. Specify the pricing file location. This file can be used across the board. Then you can click Run for selected files to start generating the report. In this video, we will show how to generate the report for the current drawing. It is the same for generating several drawings as well. After the report is calculated, this dialog box appears. There are many commands you can use. Also, there are many filtering options you can apply to customize your desired bill of materials report. You can filter by the cut list or totals of each category. You can also customize the report fields of your choosing. At any time, you can switch to the report view, which shows you how the actual report is printed or saved to an Excel sheet, PDF, or any other supported file. Other filtering options include filtering by material, spec, line number, cost has or has not been assigned, and by typing in the component name. Here you can control the report font and text size. Here let us see how we can assign unit prices to various component type. The unit price information is automatically saved to the pricing file you had already specified earlier. Depending on the component type, the cost is calculated based on its numbers, length, volume, or weight. It is up to you to do that. The cost is then calculated and assigned to the selected component based on the unit price and the selection you made. Here you can give a name to the report you are generating. You can also adjust the spacing between the report fields. You can force the program to save the current added unit prices or save them to a different file name. When you are ready to print or save the report, click this button and choose how you wish to proceed. Thanks for watching.